Rasor FP861V2 is a pneumatic cutting unit for textile and technical fabrics, even with multiple layers up to 25 millimeters thickness. A toolless variable finger protection fulfills highest standards of safety. An easy, fast connection allows to connect the machine to the air supply. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. This model is arranged with an anchor flange, easy to be fitted on fixed or automatic stirrup for O.E.M applications. Thanks to the latest generation mechanical and pneumatic components, the excellent turbine reaches a power of 400 watts at 20,000 RPM and a high torque. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. The high torque and the slow speed of the knife allow the cutting of rubber material with plastic base in the carpet and light flooring application. Especially suitable for transversal cutting model, FP861V2 is suitable to be installed in small spaces thanks to the vertical position of the motor. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor FP861V2 into an universal pneumatic cutting tool for all industrial requests. The delivery contains the FP861V2, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Contact us for further information.